What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap the sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're taking a look at Ethereum here on the 4-hour chart. The first thing that we'd really like to highlight is the fact that it does look as though we are forming a very nice bullish divergence here on our RSI, and also with our price action here. A bullish divergence, this is something that we've been talking about a lot recently. It's something that we got quite a lot of interest in, so we just like to explain it quickly in every video, because obviously it's really great that you guys are following along with us. Thank you all so much for your support. Make sure to smash that like, by the way. Crypto content on YouTube right now is just getting really badly suppressed, and it really helps if you just hit the like. It pushes the videos out to more people so that we can grow our community and hopefully teach everyone a few things as well. So as in the theme of teaching, people have been asking a lot about the bullish divergence, so we're just basically highlighting it here again. As you can see, a bullish divergence is when your price action continues to decrease. As you can see, we're making lower lows here on our price action. But if you look at our RSI, which is our relative strength index, as you can see here, we're actually making higher lows on our RSI, which means that even though the price action is going down, the actual strength of the momentum to the downside is decreasing, which is pretty much always a sign that a reversal is coming pretty soon. As we can see, Ethereum is getting extremely oversold right now. It's got very oversold basically in the past day or so, as we can see here. And every single time that it has got oversold in the past, if we just take a look, I'll highlight every area that we've seen very oversold. It's not actually been that oversold recently. But as you can see, pretty much every single time that it's been oversold here, we can quite clearly see that it's pretty much recovered its price action in the next week or so afterwards. This is the 4-hour chart, so it's got quite a lot of credence. As you can see, there's another bullish divergence here, a pretty clear one as well. Let me just remove these so you can see what I mean. So obviously you can see there's credence to the fact that this is probably a thing. As you can see, our price action decreasing, but obviously relative strength of the price action increasing, which means that the divergence is probably going to happen. And as you can see, after that, got a really nice move to the upside. We actually went to overbought territory here. And then basically what happens is the price tends to just fluctuate between overbought and oversold as the price action slowly bounces to the upside. So if we're taking a look at now, it looks as though Ethereum is approaching extremely oversold territory. And as you said, this bullish divergence does look as though it may be on the cards. We've obviously looking quite bearish right now for Ethereum. It has broken down below this macro blue trend line, which we have highlighted here was very strong support. So that's obviously caused to be bearish. And also we have actually broken down outside of this ascending triangle, which a lot of people were also commenting on as well. We've seen this A, B, C correction to the downside after we were seeing basically retesting this ascending wedge here, the first ascending wedge, which looked something like this. Basically, we were trading inside of this ascending wedge here, potentially breaking out above 2,900, but obviously with the wider market rolling over as Bitcoin has been doing, we have basically been rolling over, and as you can see, price target met. We said in our last video that potentially we could be looking at retesting this $2,000 level, and it does look as though we've actually come back down and perfectly retested this red support line that we have highlighted here at around these levels, which is where we're currently bouncing in and around of. It does look as though Ethereum is getting somewhat of a bounce off of these levels, but obviously it remains to be seen what's going to happen in the wider market, because obviously Ethereum is largely being affected by what's happening in the wider market currently. Nothing has changed fundamentally with Ethereum. It's pretty much just what's been happening with Bitcoin. But as we can see, we've basically been getting a large amount of FUD going on. And this has basically caused Ethereum to be trading downwards and losing value essentially. So, but it does look as though a reversal is probably going to be coming for Ethereum pretty soon. As we can quite clearly see, it's pretty much just been chopping sideways really. If you get rid of this triangle, if you get rid of the blue macro trend line, and then we just take a look at basically what's happening here, we can quite clearly see that Ethereum has basically just been chopping and changing inside of this inside of these two resistances basically between 3K and 2K here. So, I mean, if you said a year ago, God, I'd take Ethereum at 2K, you probably would have been a very happy guy because you would have been up probably around 10x from then. As you can see, Ethereum was trading at around $200 about a year ago here. Where's the 20th of July today? 20th of June today. So trading at around, you know, $225. So we're still up around a 10x here. So obviously, long term, things are probably going to be looking very, very nice. As you can see, this is something that we did highlight months ago, but everyone was basically saying that we're being overly bearish. But whatever happened in the wider market, what we did say did actually come true, where we were saying Ethereum is looking very overextended in this channel that we did outline that it was going up in here. It basically ran from around $2,300 and almost doubled to $4,500. This is basically in the space of what, 2 weeks? And then obviously huge correction to the downside. But I mean, if you look at the long term, things aren't looking too bad, are they? I mean, we're still trending upwards. We're not really rolling over that much. Obviously, if we rolled over to these sorts of levels at 1,500, maybe even 1K, we'd obviously be looking at potential bear market territory. But in our opinion, we don't think anything's out of the ordinary here. We've just had a large correction, and for now, it just looks like Ethereum is kind of bouncing in and around this 2 to 3K area. So short-term price prediction, we are anticipating that Ethereum is probably going to get this reversal soon. As we said, it's looking very, very oversold. But this bullish divergence looks like it could potentially play out, in which case we'd probably be anticipating putting a cheeky long in here at around 2K. And we probably would see at least coming back to fair value, probably coming back up to around this 2,300, 2,400 area here, which would be a nice bounce for Ethereum, obviously getting back above the lows of this channel that we've been trading inside of here. As you can see, we've just been trading inside of this range for a while, basically ranging here for about a month whilst the market tries to decide what's going to happen. But for now, we have been getting forced down, basically bearish on our EMAs on the 4 hour here for some time, and we have been getting forced down and down and down by that as well. So short-term price prediction, we are anticipating a reversal here for Ethereum, unless anything cataclysmic happens in the wider market. Because as we can see, we're getting quite oversold here, so we do anticipate that we're probably going to be seeing a bounce for Ethereum quite soon. And as we've been saying, we do think Ethereum by the end of the year, it's easily going to be, in our opinion, over 10K. We've got a lot of bullish news coming for Ethereum, and we do think once the bull market gets back underway in full force again, that we're probably going to be seeing a really, really, really nice amount of price action for Ethereum in the next year or so. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.